So, got this 10mm way in the back here. Way, I don't know if you guys can see that bracket back there, but way in the back you got 10mm way back there. Yes, sir. And that is exactly the one we needed to hit to free up these modules. So the 2 10s, bum bum, and then there's one way in the cut, way in the back here. You hit those 3, and you're good, you know. So right back here, tap and see. This also needs to come out. This is all just to get the wiring harness out with the engine. And I'm one of those guys that like to send an engine that I take apart with the wiring harness to benefit the tech, the mechanic, or the do-it-yourselfer. Now, what is it? So let's see if we got it now. So it's gonna take some wiggling, a little finessing to take it out. Here she comes. Come here. Yes, sir. Cut this red wire. It's irrelevant to us. And there we go. 2 connectors, main harness, fuse box, PCM. Now we got the harness out. Now I can take off this long sleeve. It's killing me in this heat. Just to protect me real quick from the blood. Do that right there.